This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove seats from a Toyota 4Runner. Before you begin, it's crucial to gather your tools, including a 14mm socket, a 10mm socket, and a trim removal tool. Safety is paramount, so first, disconnect the negative battery terminal. Wait at least 90 seconds to ensure the airbag system is fully disarmed. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe removal process for your vehicle seats. Now let's tackle the front seats. Begin by sliding each seat fully forward and then fully backward to expose the 4 mounting bolts. These bolts are often hidden under small plastic trim covers, which you can carefully pry off with a trim tool. Use a 14mm socket to remove all 4 bolts. Once loose, tilt the seat to access and disconnect any electrical harnesses, especially the yellow airbag connector. Then, carefully lift the seat out. Moving to the rear, start by removing the headrests for better access. The rear seats often come in sections, like a 60-40 split. You'll find mounting bolts, usually 10mm or 14mm, securing each section. These bolts are sometimes under plastic covers or carpet flaps. After removing the bolts, check for and disconnect any electrical harnesses or seat belt anchors. The rear seat sections can be quite heavy, so lift them carefully to avoid injury. When it's time to reinstall your seats, simply reverse the removal process. Make sure all electrical connectors, especially those for airbags, are securely reattached. Fasten all mounting bolts firmly. Typically, front seat bolts require about 27 foot-pounds of torque. Once all seats are in place and secured, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Always perform a final check to ensure each seat is stable and all functions, like seat belts, operate correctly before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.